These devices do just what their name implies, they froth milk. Typically, these devices are used in cafes or in the homes of those who choose to put particular care into the crafting of their coffee drinks. This is because frothed milk is an important part of creating most sophisticated cafe drinks. For both lattes and cappuccinos, frothed milk can help take the drink from pedestrian to cafe quality. These are also used to froth eggs, cream, and other ingredients for baking recipes. Occasionally, the recipes for soups and other foods will call for ingredients to be frothed. This is a more effective way of mixing a liquid substance together in order to achieve a smooth end product. Hi my friends and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I present you 5 best handheld milk frother 2022. Before you start, subscribe to the channel and press the like button to be up to date with all the news. Let's begin. Number 5 in our top is from the GRICAFE brand. The speed reaches 11,000 RPM. In 10s to 20s, this portable handheld milk frother creates a rich, creamy froth that can be poured into your latte in no time. Save your time, whether it's early morning or night, you can make milk froth for your coffee anytime, anywhere. Create smooth, velvety microbubbles at home or in the office for a professional finishing touch to cafe-quality lattes, cappuccinos, macchiatos, and more. This bubbler is made of 304 durable stainless steel, so it is completely rust-proof. With a stainless steel, it is easy to store and clean. The lightweight plastic handle is ergonomically designed for comfortable operation. This handheld milk frother is made of durable ABS material for durability. Never rust and low noise. It comes with a stand for easy placement on the countertop. Just press the power button, no need to hold the button, you can make rich and creamy foam within 15s. Free your hands, enjoy the foaming process, then whip the milk to your desired consistency. Not only can make milk froth for coffee, cappuccino, macchiato, but also suitable for making hot and cold chocolate, milkshake, matcha, mixed drinks, and even stirring eggs and sauces. This small high-efficiency frother is suitable for all types of milk creamer, soy, almond, cashew, hazelnut, whole milk and other dairy products such as butter or cream. Number 4 in our top is from the GRICAFE brand. The rechargeable frother has 2 stainless steel mixing heads. You can choose a suitable mixing head according to different ingredients, and it is easy to disassemble. Children and the elderly can also use it easily. Frother handheld are 3 adjustable speeds: low, medium, high, 2100 RMP, 4100 RMP, 4000 RMP, with separate buttons and a clear speed distinction. The 3 speeds can meet different usage scenarios. With it, you can choose the speed more directly and intelligently. Unlike other frothers that have only one button, you also have to make guesses about its speed when you use it. The coffee frother is fully upgraded with a reasonable speed set in 3 gears. No need to worry about your coffee splashing everywhere anymore. The frother speed is like a breeze, it can also be a gale. The attachment stirring head is made of high tenacity ABS. Let you use it is not easy to break in breakage. Handheld milk frother with 1800 mAh rechargeable battery, which can be used for more than 12H and is easy to carry. You can take it to a friend's house to make food. The handheld frother is also easy to clean. Run at any speed. Just place the mixing head under water for cleaning. The frother bottom is a flat surface. You can stand upside down on the desktop after use. We continue with the number 3 that is part of the GRICAFE brand. The lightweight drink mixer with a comfortable handle can one-hand operation easily and adding frothy looking to your drinks. Enjoy creamy taste with your family. Portable size for easy carry and travel friendly. 3 speeds of handheld frother to choose from. Low speed operates at 5800 RPM. Medium speed operates at 8500 RPM. High speed operates at 11,000 RPM. The higher the speed you choose, the less time you spend in making soft and rich foam efficiently. The professional coffee frother handheld comes with 2 stainless steel replacement whisk heads. The Ballon whisk used for cream whipping and egg whisking convenience for your baking. Enjoy the creamy texture of milk, coffee, milkshakes or hot chocolate made by Handheld milk frother at home. The chocolate milk mixer is designed in black, which is classic timeless style and perfect for any modern kitchen. Built-in 1200 mAh rechargeable battery and USB port, the cold foam milk frother handheld can be used for a long time after being full of electricity. Do not worry about running out of power when going out. Ideals for use at home, office, camping or traveling. Number 2 in our top is from the Peach Street brand. Create drinks with dreamily foamy cream with the touch of a button. Froth milk for frothy coffee, lattes, hot chocolate, and cappuccino. It also works wonderfully for any type of milk, nut milk, or other dairy products, such as cream and butter. The milk frother is super powerful with a 17,000 to 19,000 RPM, working in several seconds with a barely audible whirl. While it saves power for a long battery life. To clean, simply turn on the machine and hold it under running warm water for a few seconds. No scrubbing, scouring, or soaking necessary. Slender and sleek and a sophisticated appearance, a sturdy metal stand lets the frother rest independent on a flat surface. The thin stem lets you froth in any size container or straighten the mug you will be drinking from. Mix protein powder into your beverages, or beat eggs for scrambled eggs and eggnogs. Choose from a variety of colors to suit your style. Constructed of ultra-durable materials to last for many years. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. And finally, the number 1 product in our top is part of the Zulay kitchen brand. Works better than a manual matcha whisk for making matcha tea and works far better than fork or whisk for coffee. It works very well to mix nutritious protein powder drinks with no extra container, blender, or bottle shaker to wash. Use our mini mixer for your whisking and mixing needs. Give healthy shakes and smoothies a kick by adding powder or eggnog flavor and mixing. We coffee lovers are serious when it comes to our coffee. The Milk Boss Frother gives that professional finishing touch to your latte, cappuccino, macchiato, or hot chocolate. Make delicious foamy creamer for your drinks at home without a trip to Starbucks with your own milk frother. The benefits of having your own electric drink whisk mixer are endless. You can make your own best latte, you know your tastes best. The durable convenient metal stand gives easy access for foamy goodness in seconds. Cleanup for this matcha whisk and frother is even faster. To clean, just put the whisk in hot running water and briefly turn it on, instantly clean. When stored on counter or table, it sits nicely next other coffee accessories. This powerful and durable handheld milk frother is powered by 2 AA batteries with a compact electric design that easily fits in a drawer. Which handheld milk frother would you like to buy for your kitchen? Leave us a comment below. If you liked this video, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. See you soon. Bye.